If you ask most people why they are working so hard, they will respond that it's for money, damn money.
Well, in America, they tell us.
And it's not surprising, since money is a basic necessity in our lives. However, the paradox is that most people become slaves to money instead of being its master. In this video, I want to show a different perspective, and I'm excited to accompany you on this transformation journey. Together, let's explore strategies, tips, and concrete examples to stop working for money and make money work for you. This can change your life forever. Let's begin. First of all, if you focus solely on working for others, your life will be consumed by work. The approach of exchanging time for money presents an obvious problem. Your earnings are directly linked to the hours you work. The only valuable commodity you possess is your time, and that limits your income potential. To increase your earnings, you need to dedicate more time and effort, which can be physically exhausting. The reason why this approach is unfavorable lies in the fact that both time and energy are finite resources. As an employee, you have a limit on the amount of time you can dedicate and the amount of energy you can invest in your work. As a result, your income potential is also limited. Of course, having a job is honorable, but if you have big aspirations, you need to convince yourself that this is just a transition and that you are passing through this job. Even better, you are learning to apply it to your own future project. Because exchanging the finite resource of time for money implies an unequal and restrictive relationship. Furthermore, this approach can lead to a mindset of dependence, where your financial well-being is directly affected by your ability to work more hours. It's important to highlight that there are alternatives to this approach. Instead of being confined to exchanging time for money, you can pursue asset creation, investments, and business opportunities that generate passive income. And don't worry, in this video, I will detail a way to do that. When you manage to develop new skills and create additional sources of income, you won't rely solely on working time. It is possible to break free from limiting mindset if you believe it is possible. So pay close attention to the next point. Second, the rich work with a mindset of creating more assets, while the poor work with a mindset of earning more money.
Will never tell us that.
The mindset of the rich is different. They see time and how to invest it very differently from the poor. If you ask most rich people why they work, they will say it's to acquire more assets. By this, they refer to properties and businesses that provide a constant flow of money every month, with little or no work required. Instead of spending their lives working for money, the rich work to understand how to make money work for them through their financial assets and, of course, through a solid ongoing financial education. Working with the idea of acquiring more assets is very different from working for a salary. Adding assets does not require working more or harder. In fact, the higher your financial IQ, the less you will have to work to acquire high-quality assets. These assets provide passive income, even while you sleep or engage in other activities. In other words, once again, money works for those who know the rules of the game. Third, with the right mindset, it's possible to earn more by working less.
That's not it.
When I talk about this, poor people don't understand and may even feel uncomfortable. This doesn't mean that the rich don't work, they simply work differently. Although it may seem incredible, it's possible for young people in their 20s nowadays to earn in 1 or 2 weeks the entire salary of 3 or 6 months of work for a professional who is just an employee. Young people with little money but the right mindset enter the world of real estate, learn and gather as much information as possible, search for properties for sale, do the necessary research, and find a person to buy that property. Since they are well informed about the business, they receive a commission for it and thus earn more and more money. Over time, they are able to buy assets, renovate them, and sell them for a higher price. Can you imagine? With the right mindset, this is possible. However, if a person only complains, says it's impossible, it's too hard, or that they were born in a country with a terrible economy, those are just excuses. Stop complaining and stop seeking excuses in external things. Focus on changing and shaping your mindset, because everything you do is a result of your mindset and way of thinking. It's truly possible to change and build a better life, a life you truly deserve. Kim and I didn't always have the financial IQ or financial education that we have now. We spent a lot of time building our portfolio slowly but steadily in investing in our financial education. We weren't always rich, we didn't always have what it took to achieve that. But, just like my rich dad, we invested time in increasing our financial IQ through constant education. Fourth, your time is your main resource. Use it wisely, invest in your financial education, and abandon the habit of spending your life watching Netflix, lying down, and waiting for things to happen. Instead, dedicate time and effort to learn about finance and how to make money work more and more for you. Imagine that every hour you spend watching television is a missed opportunity to acquire knowledge that can change your financial life. Instead, you could be reading books about investments, attending conferences, taking online courses, or seeking mentors in the financial field. Consider this if you want to be a successful investor in the stock market. In the long run, it will be more beneficial for you to dedicate your time to studying the fundamentals of the stock market, analyzing companies, and developing investment strategies than to binge-watch series on Netflix. Do not underestimate the power of financial education. It is an investment in yourself that can yield lasting results. By acquiring solid knowledge in finance, you will be equipped with the necessary tools to make informed decisions, identify opportunities, and build a solid foundation for your financial future. Remember that time is a valuable and limited resource. Use it wisely and focus on activities that help you grow and move towards your financial goals. Stop waiting for things to happen and take control of your financial future through education and action. Be an active protagonist in search of opportunities. The path to financial success may not be easy, but it will be worth the effort. Don't settle for a life limited by lack of knowledge and action. Transform your mindset, seek financial education, and take ownership of your economic destiny. Time is in your hands, how you make use of it is your choice. Only you can make a difference in your financial life. Start today and make every second count. If you enjoyed today's information, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And I invite you to watch our video on 7 ways to make money work for you. Tap on the video appearing on the screen, and I will reveal it to you. Thank you to all who watched the video, and see you in the next one.